GitHub issues? Are you talking about GitHub issues or? Yeah, so right now I have everything on just Notion. So, and I think that's private for now. But do you want to contribute or something? Hey Ben Sayela, how is your name pronounced? And hi, it's Brian. How's it going, guys? So the first thing that I have to do today on the task list is I'm gonna start doing more of these live streams just to like build everything in public. The project is open source, so you can watch me code it, or me and Cloud code it live. But um, I wanted to add into the application itself that you could see when entering, like a little embedded video when I'm live, so you guys can go into the application, or anyone that's on the application itself can see that little pop-up and then come over to the stream and watch me build everything live. So yeah, that's what I am looking to do right now. Maybe the first thing that I would need to do is see how if YouTube or Twitch or Instagram has anything, any API to see if you are live streaming right now, or how that would work. But yeah. Worth, how's it going? So I was just talking about the thing that I have to do right now, that I am that's on the task list of today, which is adding a little embedded component into the app, so that when I'm live building in public, you guys can see like a little pop-up that says like I'm live, I'm building this right now in public, come see. So I am thinking about how this will work, and apparently maybe a solution, but that's not really elegant, is having my API flag when I'm live, so I would have a little endpoint that the app itself would call, and I would update that little flag on the fly. But that's really not an elegant solution, so I'm gonna search for YouTube API documentation to see if there's a better way of doing it. Guys, I'm actually really worried about showing secrets on stream. but I guess it's just a matter of time since I have I have to rotate my secrets or something like that. But also my dev computer right now does not have any secrets that can be leaked, I think. So I guess that's the thing that keeps me calm about that. Okay, so you could always render the link, which could be. Okay, let me turn down the music. Thank you for the recommendation. There it is. Yeah, so this is the first stream that I'm doing, so that's why I'm just setting everything up to see how it goes. Also on Instagram, can you guys see my camera? Because I am streaming, I am multi-streaming to YouTube and Twitch, but on YouTube and Twitch, okay, that's better. But on YouTube and Twitch, the ratio is 9:16. Well, it's desktop, so horizontal. But over here on Instagram, I'm seeing that. Okay. I'm seeing that it looks vertical. Okay. Great. So it looks like I can just embed the YouTube link with my channel ID hard-coded. The screen is, yeah, it's kind of squeezed. Okay. Let me see. Let me scale it down a bit so you guys can see better. Let me scale it down a bit more. Okay, so I'm gonna place the camera right here over on the side. I'm sorry you guys have to see me trying out stuff because this is the first stream. Okay, I think that's gonna look a little bit better on vertical screens, but maybe not so much on horizontal ones. Okay, so I have a live agent running looking at the camera, so that's why I have the person detector over here on the bottom. Okay. You are eating watermelon right now, Kareem? Okay. Okay, let me try out. I can also change the aspect ratio from the component itself, like this. And maybe a bit more, like that. Okay, place this right here. Okay, I guess this is a bit better. Let me look at my phone just to see how it looks like. A bit to the right. Okay, so let me try out embedding the YouTube link on the app just as a blind iframe embed. But the thing is, yeah, the overlay always appears. Or adding an endpoint to my API, which returns like if I am live or not with an API key. That would work automatically, but let me try first embedding the video and seeing if that works, because either way, having an endpoint or not, we would need the iframe embed. So okay, so a React portal. Okay, let me get my channel ID. Okay, glad that's better. So I'm getting... Okay, so I need the channel ID. Let me get that, because I thought that the handle was enough, but I do need the channel ID itself. Let's see. Okay, I think I have it. UCG, XTV, HPS, NG, ONO, 6, XHQ. Okay, do you mean stretching it how? Are you seeing this vertical or horizontal? Okay, so I can do this, that, and then doing something like this. So you guys can see the bottom, and then moving my picture over here and moving the little logo over here. Maybe making this a bit bigger. The only thing is when, yeah, filling the whole screen. Yeah, the only thing is when you're on mobile and you go into the Instagram live, you see only a little piece, like the vertical part on your phone. Okay, is that better? I filled the whole screen. Okay, that's good. Bottom right. Okay. Switching to bottom right. Let me start up the development server over here. It out. Okay, so it's not installed on the browser run React. pnpm install pnpm install, yes. I hadn't updated my computer, my dev machine, since I made these changes, so okay, so it's running. So, Karim, is your name pronounced Karim or Karim? Yeah. And Windows 11 kinda sucks. Karim, okay. Oh, that's... I hadn't heard the name Karim pronounced like that. No, I need to pronounce it correctly. That's why names exist. Also, I think something's up with PnPM. It's not installing. Let's try it again. Okay. Okay, so I'm actually gonna change the setup. Instead of just sharing this window, I'm gonna share my entire screen for this stream. I'm just gonna do a new scene which has the logo, and then I'm gonna place this scene right here, over here, like this. Okay, so now I have a little screensaver while I do stuff on the computer, which okay, there it is. Entire screen, share. Okay. Now let's go over here to scene. Okay, there it is. So now you guys can watch my entire screen. Okay, I'm gonna have it be a little bit more small. There it is. And then make this a bit bigger. Okay, so now I can show you guys my browser and stuff like that. So, what happened over here? Okay, let's try to run the dev server. 3, 1. Okay. Agents, login. Okay, so right here there's the little live button, and there it is. Okay. So the little embedded video did work over here on the corner. I don't know if you guys can see it. I think I'm blocking it with my with my person detector agent. Okay, like this, and then I can just open a tab so you guys can see. Right there, it's the little thing that I just added, which is a live embedded video player into the application itself. So when you enter the application, you can see the little pop-up. Okay, so resume this. Done. Now we'll make the endpoint. which returns the dictionary, the JSON. Live not status. Up the screen when I am live. Okay. Yeah, I'm streaming on YouTube too. So you can go watch over there if you want. I'm actually multi-streaming to YouTube and also to Twitch. So yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna open up a new tab. I'm gonna stop sharing a bit just to go into my API server. Okay, cool. Okay, so now my left tab is running here on this computer and my right tab is running on the server. So let's ask Cloud over here, can you make an endpoint on api.py which is live that returns go over there and you can tag over there and I'll also see the chat. I have it opened right here. Yeah, the channel name is Subserver AI. Returns. Hi, hello. Königsegg 1. Okay, so we need the server to use an API key. Hey, Kerem. Yeah. That returns a JSON which flips but automatically. Yeah, live, true, and video ID, something like that. From my YouTube channel when I'm live, and the app will pop up the live stream when I am. Let's give it the channel ID. Here it is. Channel ID. Do you need a YouTube API or just if a YouTube API key is needed, just use the envvar YouTube API key. Channel ID, APIs YouTube v3 search, live false. Okay, so yeah, it returns live false if I'm not live, or calls the API and returns the video ID. Can you make the mini player pop up when I'm live? Not minimized. There's a new endpoint on yeah, so HTTPX is already on the requirements. Over here it's going to check live and then pop up the video. Okay. Yeah, E for the embed. Can you create in-memory cache? If we're live, no need to post each time a user hits. We can just poll maybe every 2 minutes, or save a last checked value, and when the live endpoint was hit, if there's been more than 2 minutes since last check, do the API call. Okay, so live false, video ID none, last checked 0, video ID okay, looks good. So I'm gonna get an API key for YouTube, so that's gonna be a little private part. YouTube API key. So I could make an agent to watch YouTube, and that's actually quite interesting. I could have an agent running on my server which watches if I'm live or not, and then does the updating of if I'm live. But that's a bit inefficient because I want this to scale. I'm gonna use an API key, but it's actually easier in this case to use Observer for that. it just won't scale a lot. Okay, so YouTube API. Yeah. But that actually would work. You just need I would just need the server to have a front end. So I would need to go over there manually and create the little agent which watches my channel always, which has the channel page opened, and then maybe it would post to the API if I am live or not, and have it run every like 2 minutes or something like that. And then that agent would be in charge of the status update if I am live or not. And it would take me like maybe 1 minute to to do that, but it wouldn't be very stable for the Observer API. So I'm gonna do it the old-fashioned way using an API key. It looks kind of funny how I have the person detection agent running, and it's constantly constantly showing confetti because I am here. Okay. YouTube API. Google Cloud Console. So right now the whole Observer API is running on an old server which has a Xeon processor, but it's quite old. I had that server working as a NAS, as a network attached storage, but right now it's enough to run the API. So I used another thing for a NAS, and now the whole API is running there. So yeah, I'm almost done getting an API key. I need to have a better waiting screen other than just the Observer logo and my camera. But I'll do that later on. Yeah, it's like a home lab. running on an old server. So, Kareem, do you have a home lab or something like that? And what it is running on that home lab? Okay. So just image. I hadn't heard of that service, but it's to back up things on your own server. You run LLMs on your main PC? Yeah, so gaming computers are really good for running small LLMs. Okay, it's like Google Images but local. That's really cool. Maybe I'll use it later on. Okay, I enabled the API. Then I'm gonna create another API key for YouTube data. Okay, so you create images with AI? Oh, okay, okay. It classifies them. I understand. That's cool. Doesn't that take a lot of resources on the server? Yeah, that's fine. Don't worry. Me neither. It's also my. Well, I don't know if that's your second language, but it's also my second language, as you can see. To API key. Okay. Thanks. What's your first language or native language? Okay. Okay. There it is. I think it's done. Let me screen share again. Like this. Okay. Scene. Okay. So as you guys can see, if I curl API observerai.com/live, there it is, live through video ID and the video ID. So I just licked the API key accidentally. New credentials. Live API v2. YouTube.api. Okay. Yeah, go to sleep. It's okay, Karim. Karim. Bye. See you later. Thanks for coming by. Is Chromium. Okay. Okay. So I just reset the API key. Let's curl API observer ai.com/live, and there it is, live status. Now start a development server right here. Let's see the app. Okay, looks like it worked. So let me open a tab right here so you guys can see. When you open up the app, you will get this mini player right here which says watch me build live, and that's it. So yeah, let's verify. Okay, live stream component. Let me mock a false response just to test the front-end app itself to see if the mini player pops up when I'm not live. So I'm gonna do that quickly, just connecting to the server. And then Veeam API okay. So let's mock real quick, just a quick response. So instead of doing all of these, let's just return live false and video ID none, I think. Yeah, so let's see if this works. API. Curl AI serverai.com live. All right. Return live false. Video ID none. So I am still getting good at managing the scenes on OBS, but server API. There it is. It restarted. Let's curl API observer ai.com/live. There it is, false and null. And if I go over here to the app and reload it, well, first I would need to start a development server. And yeah, no live status with the mocked up false value. Let's restore it. Server API. Okay. Import time. There it is. Okay, restart it. Looks good. That's so cool. So, and then you can minimize this, close it. Okay, that's fine. Status. Okay. Is it possible to autoplay it? Shows up the YouTube play button. But I would like to autoplay it. Okay. Muted autoplay. Sounds good. Okay. Let's see. Run dev. Bam. Restart it. Yep. Muted autoplay. There it is. Let's commit all of these changes first. Watch me build this live. Exclamation mark. Reload it. Yup. Okay. On mobile. Yeah, I think that's fine. Okay. So now the app itself has a little autoplayer when I'm live, which is cool. SRC web app and app components live stream. Okay. Live stream preview when I'm live. And over here on the server, let's commit git add API diff API diff catches. looks good. Okay, commit live endpoint so users can see app can render when I'm live. Docker Compose. Store API Docker Compose. Okay. So commit live endpoint so app can render mini player when I'm live. Done. Now if I go over to dev.observerai.com, there it is. Watch me build this live. Which is really cool. Okay. Okay, so I think that's gonna be it for now. Just a quick stream adding that quick feature. And yeah, thank you all for watching.